Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is different. You are going to watch me work. I am taking off the Soak Off Gel Nail Polish using a hand file versus e-file, which you know guys I don't like to use. So I will manually remove this. I won't be soaking it off because I do have hard gel under here, IBD hard gel. If I do soak it off, then that means I would remove most of the hard gel, and I don't want to do that. I've done it both ways, either way it works, but in this video I'm going to manually file the soak off gel using this curved file. It is 100-180 grit, which I like. I've been using this now for about a month and I really like this a lot, only because I can get to the areas where it's hard to get to. This is the glitter gel nail polish that I'm obsessed with by Born Pretty, and is a red sparkle gel BP07. Absolutely stunning, as you can see. But let's go ahead and remove this, and what I'll be doing is actually I will be applying regular nail polish, OPI nail lacquer, and this is coconut over OPI. It is such a beautiful color, but in the meantime you will be watching me remove this by filing it off. I will speed up the video and let's go ahead and get started. Boy, this is going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of work, but it is what it is. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're wondering what products I'm using, you know what to do. Just click on show more and voila. So after putting on lotion and a little bit of cuticle oil, I am all set for the next few days. I'm thinking about starting a series called Watch Me Do Something. For example, today you just watch me do my nails. Maybe do something like watch me put on my makeup. You get the idea. If you'd like to see these kind of videos, please let me know. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.